We started. So you are going to learn discrete manufacturing, process manufacturing, lean manufacturing, master planning, cost management, and time excellence. So let me go here. So if you want to learn manufacturing process, one important function we should know about item model group in this standard cost method. This is designed for manufacturing process. Standard cost model is designed for manufacturing process. Remaining methods are for differently. Standard cost method is designed for manufacturing. Moving average is designed for retail industry. So in the manufacturing company, can we use FIFO or LIFO? Yes, we can use it. But whatever the benefits you are getting through standard cost method, you are not going to get from here. And moving average also, this will be used for retail industry. So the most important, you are going to learn standard cost method. Okay, for the manufacturing process, this model is designed for manufacturing process. And I'm showing you another one. If I go to inventory management, collapse all, setup, posting. Because of this standard cost method, in the posting, standard cost variance. These are designed for standard cost model. Okay, this is a very rarest information. If you Google it, you will not find the information. Very rarest information you are going to learn. If it is a standard cost method, so purchase price variance, inventory cost evaluation, cost change variance, production lot size variance, production price variance, production quantity variance, production substitution variance, and rounding variance. All these things you are going to learn. This you can check with your friends and colleagues. They don't know about these things. No one knows. Even manufacturing consultants also. Majority people don't know about this one. Okay? And then you are going to learn. Actually, this is a finance topic. To be frankly, this is whatever we are discussing here. Manufacturing is linked to finance. These two are. So I'm going to teach you because finance consultants, they don't know about manufacturing process. So they cannot give answers to your questions. So you are going to play manufacturing along with finance settings. These accounts. Got my point? I'm going to teach you. So you are going to learn finance linked to manufacturing. Manufacturing linked to finance, whatever it is there. Manufacturing is linked to finance. Those also I'm going to cover. Okay. Next one is in the master planning, production control. So you are going to learn job scheduling, operation scheduling. The major parts, job scheduling and operation scheduling. These two you are going to learn. Okay, most important topics I'm covering. And you are going to learn these check boxes also, like if you enable this checkbox, picking list, report as news, all those things you are going to learn. Okay. And here in this one, you are going to learn discrete manufacturing, that is new production order, and then process manufacturing. This is new production order means discrete manufacturing, new batch order means it is process manufacturing. You are going to learn these two. These two are similar, but little bit difference are there. Next one is you are going to learn lean manufacturing in that production flows. Okay. So one is Here you are going to do production orders. This is called discrete manufacturing. This is called process manufacturing. And here Kanban schedules, process jobs. This is Kanban process, lean manufacturing. Okay. In USMF, I can teach you this one very clearly, like process jobs and transit jobs. These two are related to a lean manufacturing process. You are going to understand these two. Okay. Now,
Sir, sorry,
yes,
I have a
please.
question.
Yeah,
Like,
please, please. Yeah, please.
may I know like, what where we are using this lean manufacturing? Like, is there any example for that? May I know
Sure.
that
Sure.
process and
Yeah,
uh, discrete,
yeah,
but
understood. Yeah, I will give you the information. Let me take into one diagram so that you can understand what is this. So if I'm taking diagram, it will be easy for you. Discrete manufacturing is parts you are combining. Process manufacturing is majorly liquids. Okay. Lean manufacturing is to deliver the material to the customer quickly. You want to deliver the material to the customers quickly. So what do you mean? The example. Let me write down first step by step. First, one is discrete manufacturing. Discrete manufacturing. Next one is process manufacturing. Next one is lean manufacturing. Okay. Discrete manufacturing means BOM plus formula. Sorry, plus route. BOM plus route. Process manufacturing means formula plus route. Lean manufacturing means Kanban plus production. Okay, first let me explain you what is this. Discrete manufacturing. In discrete manufacturing, in discrete manufacturing, assembling and disassembling is possible. Assembling and disassembling is possible. The best example for this discrete manufacturing, car manufacturing, bike manufacturing, bicycle manufacturing, all these are examples to discrete manufacturing. Process manufacturing means process manufacturing means here once it is combined, you cannot separate. Once it is separated, you cannot combine. Example for this one is food industry, medicines. Sorry, food industry and medicine. Suppose if you are making a biscuit, we need wheat powder, sugar, milk, eggs, etc. And you are combining. You cannot separate it. And once it is separated, you cannot combine. Example for this one is like raw cotton. From raw cotton, we can separate cotton and cotton seeds. From the cotton seeds, we can get cotton oil. And if you want to bring back the cotton, raw cotton, you cannot. Is it clear, these two? Any questions till now? Lean manufacturing. Yeah, clear? Any questions?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Lean manufacturing, it is, suppose example, 4 GB RAM with 500 GB hard disk, laptops, I made it ready. I made it ready. But the order is coming 8 GB RAM, 500 GB hard disk. Suppose I made like 8 GB RAM, 500 GB hard disk. Orders are coming for 8 GB RAM with 1 TB hard disk. Suppose I'm making 8 GB RAM with 1 TB hard disk. People are asking, no, 16 GB RAM with 500 GB hard disk. So it is I don't know the orders, how it will come. So rather than maintaining these all items, what I will do, I'll keep RAMs readily available. 4 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, 16 GB RAM. Hard disks, I'll keep 500 GB hard disk, 1 TB hard disk, 2 TB hard disk. Whenever an order comes, I will take this and this combination, I will deliver the material. Suppose I have received an order for 500 pieces, bulk order. Because it is a manufacturing company, from wholesale distribution company, I have received 500 pieces, 200 pieces. Then immediately I need to pick this one, and I need to deliver the material quickly. So this is for quick delivery. Okay, that is this one. So they will use the word, some people they will use the word just in time. Just in time. They will use the word just in time. So to deliver the material quickly, we can use this lean man. So here the symbols also, it is very clear.
That is just in time
Yes.
to deliver the material quickly.
Yes. So as I told you, this is, I'm not very strong in this area, but I will try to teach you as much as possible in the system, how it is working. Okay, it is in USMF, whatever it is there, I will try to help you, explain you as much as possible. But as I told you, it is, I know majority, but not all. Yeah? Is it clear? Till do you have any questions?
Clear, sir.
So now let me take duplicate. So what is this discrete? What is this BO, B1? What is this formula? Let me share. And I hope you learned already bill of material. You know already bill of material. This is my assumption, because in this trade and logistics SCM, bill of material you learned. So I think you know. If not, I will give you introduction. What is B1? Then we'll go inside about B1. B1 means bill of material. Is bill of material. B1 means bill of material. Okay. So what is this? Let me introduce, and we'll go inside slowly in depth. Let me take one file and then I will discuss with you. Okay, so we are combining monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, cables. We are combining all these things. We are making as a computer system. This is very simplest. With your hands, we are able to do it. Yes, please.
And this is the best example for bomb.
Yeah. So it is a very simple one. In SCM trade and logistics, you are going to learn this one. Okay. So it is simplest form. The simplest form is B1. Okay. Just give me a minute. So this is B1. Let me show you if it is process manufacturing example. Formula. The best example for process manufacturing is biscuit manufacturing. In biscuit manufacturing, you are taking wheat powder, wood, salt, sugar, eggs, milk. You are combining all these items. You are you are getting the biscuit. Okay, you are manufacturing biscuits. But in this one, from the milk, you are going to get butter as an extra component. So, what is the difference between BOM and formula? What is the difference between BOM and formula is in formula, you are getting the end product. Along with this one, you are going to get additional products.
That is, along with additional products, we are getting is co-product and byproduct.
These additional products are called co-products and byproduct. Co-product and byproduct. Here, co-products means you can sell it. So, in this example, biscuit manufacturing, the end product raw materials are like wheat powder, sugar, milk, water, salt, etc. Something. Okay, further, and end product is we are getting biscuit. Okay, along with this biscuit, you are getting co-product. Along this one, you are getting co-product is butter. This is also valuable item. So you are not manufacturing butter. Butter is not your goal, but you are getting butter also from the
As a
milk. You are getting
milk.
as an additional component. These are also very valuable items. Okay, and you are getting byproducts. Byproducts, it is wheat powder waste. And here on this one, okay, you are getting eggshells. So these are waste items. Waste items you are getting. Co-product and byproduct. So you are doing manufacturing of biscuit. You are doing manufacturing of biscuits, but you are getting co-product and byproduct. Additional is butter and wheat powder waste. Butter you can sell with the costly. Wheat powder waste you can use this one to like a scrap items. Byproducts are scrap items. So sometimes we can sell that scrap items also. Like wheat powder waste, this waste can be used for birds feeding. This is we can throw it away. Okay. So not only this one, you are going to learn if it is a petrol manufacturing company. Petrol manufacturing. That also like process manufacturing. We are purchasing crude oil. Raw material for this one is crude oil. We are getting petrol, diesel, kerosene. Okay. So the main product is we are getting from this one is crude oil is petrol. Is the main product. Some people they will in Europe, in USA, it is called gasoline. Use the word gasoline, but in India it is petrol. Okay, we are getting this. So there are so many several examples we are going to learn. And another example for process manufacturing is like apple juice. Apple juice manufacturing, orange juice manufacturing. All these things you are going to learn. Okay. Fine. So let me show you one flow, production flow, and then we'll proceed. Let me go to the application first. So production control module, collapse all production orders, all production orders. I'm picking a new production order. New production order means it is discrete manufacturing. New batch order means process manufacturing. So remember, discrete manufacturing means here production order. Process manufacturing means batch order. Okay. So I'm creating new production. So I'm taking the example D003. D003. Okay. Here, once you select the item, it will update BOM plus row. Okay. So let me go to here, release product. Product information management. Collapse all products, release products. From here, we are taking D003. For this, we have engineering tab. BWM versions is there. Raw materials are M001234 and we are producing D003 and route also carbon. Route or route. This is most important. So for the entire manufacturing, we need to understand route or route. So B1 and the route it is selected. Here the postings is very, very important. Item and resource, item and category, production groups. This is related to manufacturing linked to finance. Manufacturing linked to finance. So finance consultants don't know much on manufacturing process. So in the manufacturing process, you need to learn. Whenever you are learning manufacturing process, here you are going to behave like a manufacturing consultant. Along with this one, you need to help finance consultant because finance consultants don't know about the setups. So you need to learn. Click create.
So only that ledger one is linked with finance.
Yes, yes, that ledger. Okay, it is not so simple. There is a so much subject. As I told you here, let me take duplicate because you are whenever you are posting production order process, report as finished and end is financial postings. Report as finished and end. At that time, it will hit to the financials. So in this production inventory management, collapse all, setup, posting, this production tab and standard cost variance. These two are financial postings.
Okay, these two tabs are related for manufacturing related financial postings.
Yes, exactly right. Exactly right. So if you go to this one, finance consultant, we don't know in and out what is going on in the manufacturing process. Manufacturing people, they don't know about finance. This is the gap in general. So this ledger accounts numbers is linked to finance. This inventory posting, inventory setup posting is part of SCM. Elastics SCM, and you are working here. So handling this postings is really complex for finance consultant and SCM consultants. These two guys, they cannot handle. So you need to hold it. You need to hold this one and you need to pass on the information to, or you need to go help these people. You should not say like, I'm not finance consultant, so I cannot help you. So finance consultants, the problem is this is a very complex, tricky scenario. Finance consultants, they don't know about manufacturing process, but you don't know about finance. So cooperation is very, very important for manufacturing implementation because if this project is failed, then ultimately it is hitting to you as well as finance consultant. Am I right?
Correct. Both of
So
them
that
will
is
face the problems.
yes, that is the reason I'm going to teach you in this training. I'm going to teach you about this postings also to you, not finance consultant, because I'm not covering this one in finance. I'm covering in manufacturing process. I cannot teach in finance about these postings. No. So, so then what we have to do? being being a manufacturing consultant, you should know about these postings also. Of course, this is what it is from the production order. Whenever you are hitting this process, it is going to this area, and through this accounts, it is posting to here. Finance, sorry, in this finance. So whenever you are executing here, it is touching here, and it is posting to this area. So you are executing here, and it is slowly it is going to here, and it is hitting to this one. So you should know. Very few people only know about this one. I'm speaking frankly. Very, very few people only. So being a manufacturing consultant, you are going to learn some extent related to finance. Fine. Let me go to the application once again. So I have created a production order. Now the status is created. Now the first step is estimate. So if you click on estimate, what happens? Before posting, let me show you. Here, manage costs, view calculation details, it is empty. View calculation details, it is empty. Now, if you click on estimate, click OK. Now we have clicked on estimate. Then these buttons are enabled. All buttons are enabled. Now, if you go to manage costs, view calculation details, the estimated values are coming. Is value estimation, value costing. Okay, in this there are 3 parts, total 4 parts. The first part is B1 raw materials. What are the raw materials we are using? So in the released product, if you open this released product, here engineer tab, engineer means it is production, B1 versions. We have configured M001, 2, 3, 4, 7. These raw materials are required to make D003. That's what it is. So M001, 2, 3, 4, 7. What is the cost? This is first part. Second part, process. Process means it is route or route. So we need to do assembly, testing, test operation, packing. So to do all these things, there is expenses based on hours spent. These are raw materials. On these raw materials, people or human resources or machines, whatever it may be, resources, they are working. So for that, how many hours or how many minutes they are working, based on that, some expenses. So this is second part. Next, third part, it is overhead charges. So here, let me take duplicate. Cost management. So costing sheet. In this costing sheet, we can map overhead charges, machine depreciation, logistics, and then indirect labor cost. Because you are going to use machines, then machine is depreciated. After 20 years, 30 years, we need to replace new machine. So for that, we need to have some depreciation expense. For each piece, we need to have some depreciation value. And then internal logistics. Internal logistics means your employees are moving the material from one place to another place using this truck. These are logistics. We need to arrange. So for that also, we have to have some expenses. So logistics, internal logistics. Next, labor cost. People are working labor. So here also there is expenses. So this is coming from costing sheet. These three coming. So now sum of all this together is this value, the final product value.
Satya,
So yes, please.
output unit machine depreciation means this is routing we are using, right? That one.
Machine depreciation is coming from here. Machine depreciation is coming from here. Now, what is your doubt?
My doubt is machine depreciation in the sense the purpose of it is when we are using that route, right? It is route is nothing but some process which is used by the machine. So it is that the depreciation is been done.
It is
So
not depreciation. It is how many hours we are working. Here, resource means human being also resource is there. Okay. So based on how much time you are spending, based on that it is expenses.
okay.
How much time?
How
This
much
is
time?
for because the life of the mission is 500 crores of items can be produced. Then they need to have depreciation because after this one you need to purchase a new mission.
Yes.
So for that this is so manufacturing people they know about how it will be calculated. No need to worry about how the calculations will have. So manufacturing people on the floor, whoever is doing, they will give you the amounts. You need to learn how to map it. Okay. If you give the explanation, they will come up with the values. Right?
Yes, Satya.
Yeah. So one is BOM, one is route, another one is costing sheet.
Costing sheet.
These three parts.
In costing sheet only we can add that additional charges.
Yes, overhead charges.
Overhead. That is indirect cost.
Exactly right. Indirect cost.
All those items and route are direct cost. These things are indirect cost.
Exactly right. Exactly right. Okay. If you don't want, suppose in some clients I saw, they are not using this one. They are not using costing sheet. They are not using the costing, like these additional charges will not come. Okay. So how you want to configure? That's it. Fine. So slowly you will understand one by one. Okay. Slowly. So in one day you cannot learn everything. It is impossible. There are many things inside. So if you click on estimate, we are able to see view calculation details. Clear. Okay. Here it will show you the estimated cost only, but not realized consumption. Okay. For all these things, from where it is the calculations are there, I will explain you one by one. Because from where it is coming this value, from where it is coming this value, you need to understand all these things. How the calculations are coming, you need to understand. Fine. Next, schedule, operation scheduling and job scheduling. Okay. Now I'm clicking on operation scheduling. What is the difference? You will understand later. Click OK. And now in the route, it will update date and time. Before this one, I want to show I missed. Let me do it now. Reset status. Suppose I'm making reset status to create estimated first. This is estimated now. If you look at this route, it is start date and time is not there. But if you click on schedule, operation scheduling, click OK. Then if you go to route, it will start like ready to start. Okay. If it is a job scheduling, it will create jobs. What is these jobs? We will discuss later. This is job scheduling will create jobs. But now we have used operation scheduling. So through operation scheduling or job scheduling, it will update route, start date and time, and if it is a job scheduling, it will create jobs. Next, we are clicking on start. So if you click on start, what happens? We are taking raw materials from the regular warehouse to our warehouse. Okay, I have not clicked on this one. Now, if you go to view here, there is a picking list journal. There is no picking list journal. At present, it is empty. Next, route card journal, it is empty. Next, job card journals, empty. Report has finished, empty. If you want to see all in one screen, you can see all journals. At present, it is empty. Okay, now I'm clicking on start. Here, I'm disabling post route card now, post picking list now. Okay, otherwise, let me make default values. I don't want post route card, post picking list. I have disabled in the setup. Then it will be same. Okay, what is this? We'll discuss. Okay, one is picking list, another one is route card. I have disabled. Click OK. Now, if you go to view, here journals, we can see one picking list journal card created, one route card journal card created. So if you go to picking list journal, raw materials consumption. So in the BOM, we have informed to make D003, we need M001, 2, 3, 4, 7. That's what it is coming. And then post. Then in reality, raw materials will be consumed. That means if you go to BOM, M001, 2, 3, 4, 7, these items will be decreased. The unhandling because we have consumed. This is picking list journal we have posted. Next, route card journal. So now if you go to picking list journal posted, then here we can see the production postings. Raw material consumption voucher. Need to understand. Next, indirect cost voucher. The same actually. Now I'm going back. Next one is go to view. Then route card journal we are posting.
Route card journal only when you process the routing, it will process.
So here one is job scheduling and operation scheduling. Okay, if it is operation scheduling, then we need to create. If it is job scheduling, we need to post jobs. Okay. So what do you mean by operation scheduling and job scheduling? So these people, if they are doing, they are updating, then it is a job scheduling. When they have logged in, when they have taken break, when they have completed all these things, it is job scheduling. Operation scheduling means here job card. You know, like if you go to service for your bike, one person he will take the your bike and he will write down this is damaged, this is damaged.
Job card, yeah, job card details.
Right.
Yes.
So here operation scheduling means These people are updating. If it is a job scheduling means these people are update in the system. Operation scheduling means these people will give the information to the supervisor. Supervisor will do it. That is operation scheduling. That's my point.
Oh, okay. Job scheduling means automatically the concerned person will update in the machine or system.
Yes.
Operation scheduling means they will get the details from that concerned customer and they will give to the supervisor,
Yes.
which is nothing but manually they are giving.
Yes. Operation scheduling means so the information will be executed like data entry operator or supervisor. Got it? Yeah. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
So now we have taken operation scheduling. So as per the standard is 25 like 0.25 hours, 0.20 hours, zero point 0.8 hours, 0.7 hours. It is whatever it was estimated, whatever it is estimated in the production, the same thing I'm scheduling. I'm posting. If there is any changes required, we can modify. Okay, we can modify. All these things slowly you will understand. So now it is, if you go back once again here, the calculations will find indirect cost. Okay, this is processing piece. Okay, fine. These all you need to understand. We'll discuss this one later. Okay. Now production order. Start means raw material consumption is over, work is finished. Report as finished means then the product is ready, the product finished good is ready. Then we are posting this. It is report as finished means D003 item will be increased. This on-hand inventory will be increased. Just now we have finished, report as finished, then on-hand inventory will increase. Now if you go to once again production postings, you can see report as finished posting. As finished posting. It is temporary. Now I'm clicking on end. End means the final postings. Click OK. Now if you go to manage cost, production postings, now end costing, if you verify, a very big voucher. You need to understand this one. It's a very big voucher. Don't get panic. It is not a complex. You will understand. It's a big voucher.
This is after posting that end, we are getting this much big voucher.
Yes. So initially, if it is a material, we have voucher. Okay, if you individually, if you cut it, you will understand. Crowd consumption, you understood. So here, material report has finished.
For finished goods.
Yes. So individually, if you understand one by one pieces, okay, then ultimately this costing you will understand easily. Don't get panic. At least around 6 to 8 hours or 10 hours. I will spend time to you slowly, one by one. You're going to understand all these things. It's a big question. Okay, as I told you, because finance consultant don't know what are you doing in the manufacturing. How can he suggest? But you are going to explain to the finance consultant, this is, then the number he will take the decision. See, in the postings, you don't know the numbers perfectly. But what is this processes, you know. If you explain to the finance consultant, finance people, he can take the numbers, which number I need to map it. But I will explain you all these things to you so that it will be more benefitable to the project wherever you are implementing. Okay? Fine. So this is about production process, production order process. Now look at this one, released products. Here in these items, if you filter by D, all D00, 2, 3, everything is discrete manufacturing. These are discrete manufacturing items. If you select P, these are process manufacturing items. These are process manufacturing items. If you select L, Microsoft has given very clearly L, lean manufacturing examples. Okay, if you filter by D, discrete manufacturing examples, you can see all these are discrete manufacturing examples. If you filter by P, you will find process manufacturing examples. If you filter by L, lean manufacturing examples. The data also very clearly Microsoft has provided. If it is a process manufacturing, okay, then here B1 will be disabled. B1 will be disabled.
Okay.
Formula will be.
If you select discrete manufacturing, it will be opposite.
Yes, let me show you. Okay, in this B1, we cannot find co-product. Okay, if it is process manufacturing P, then you will find co-product. In this co-product screen, you can have co-product and byproduct. Co-product is directly sellable item, byproduct is scrap items. Okay, so, and if I go back, if you go to D, discrete manufacturing, scroll down here in the engineer tab, the production type is B1. Okay, discrete manufacturing. If it is a process manufacturing, P001, it is a formula. P002, it is co-product. P003, byproduct.
So this production type, what actually the purpose, Satya, here?
Because you are going to use, see, if you are enabling BOM, then BOM area will be enabled.
Okay.
If it is a formula area will be enabled. That is clear, am I right?
Okay, based on the production type
now,
only, that tabs will be enabled.
Enabled, yes, from this one, okay, production type.
Mm-hmm.
And for process manufacturing, you are enabling formula because it is formula. Have enabled formula, so that is the reason production type is formula. production formula area page is enabled, and inside you need to map co-product and byproducts. Am I right? Those are coming from here only. The types. Co-products and byproducts also here only. Yeah, got it?
Yes.
Okay, if it is a lean manufacturing, L, starting with L, it is a lean. These are different. Okay. Till now, any questions? Till now, any questions? I'm stopping here. I'm stopping recording now.